Hello from Slovenia again. I have some paints left from my previous neutral flower dip and I thinned them down and I decided to do something. I really admire Rinske Dauna. She do gorgeous blowout flowers lately with I don't know how she called them, with gradient, or I don't know. So I have pearl white and I thin my paints down quite a bit, and I will not use a hair dryer because I'm not good at it. I will just try to blow here and spin it out. So I will just flood my canvas with pearl white. Probably this will not be something I don't know, but you know, when you have paints left, it's good to do some experiments. I hope that my pearl white will create some nice effects. We will see. I will torch for the air bubbles. And I will just add a puddle of paint, what I want first. Let's add a little bit of burnt sienna and gold ochre. And some pearl white again. And some Van Dyke brown on top. And I will, let's pour this neutral gray, or what is the color? Just a second. Warm gray by Amsterdam. Let's blow this out. Okay. I'm just thinking to just go once more, because now I see how it looks. Pearl white. So different to use these thin paints for me. Let's spin this out. Weird. Weird. So see. Don't like this part at all. This part. I will go once more and I will, because of the pearl white, I think that this will grow and grow and grow. Let me see. No, I can't embellish it because it's so thin paint. This just didn't turn out. So, you know what I will do? I will drizzle some paint, so we will see how thin paint will work in flower dips. And I will dip this on plastic. Okay, pearl white and burnt sienna. Just drizzling paint here in kind of circle shape. I always do that when I don't like my pores. I always try to do a dip to save it maybe. Sometimes it just doesn't work. I don't know how this will work because these paints are really thin. I'm not used to these thin paints, but I thin them down because I want to blow this out. So Van Dyke brown for the contrast. Okie doke. Let's remove this, and I will just dip. And I will lift it straight up. Release the pressure a little bit, suction. Love the colors together, have to say. Here it is, and I have to say that I like it. I like the colors. This ochre is just so beautiful with the browns and burnt sienna with this reddish undertone. So what I think is that the tin paint, it's really good for dips, obviously, because I got amazing effects with some lacing and those shadows. I just love it. So today's experiment ended up with the dip again, but you are already used to that with me, aren't you? I love it, I really do. It's kind of a weird shaped flower because I had this plastic just not tight enough on my table, but anyway. I will definitely use a little thinner paints for another dip because I love how kind of cloudy it looks. So I will call this one a cloudy flower. Cloudy flower dip. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!